Hello everybody, welcome back to TechTube. I hope you all are doing great. So today I am back with another tutorial video of how you can remove email account from Outlook. So to get started, first of all, go ahead and open up Outlook application on your mobile phone and make sure that you are logged into the app. When you open the application, you'll be appear with this type of screen on your mobile phone. And in here on the top left corner, you can see the little profile icon. Go ahead and tap on it. And here you'll be appear with the several options. And at the bottom of the screen you can see the gear icon. Go ahead and tap on it. So here we can see the mail account. You can just go ahead and tap on that account, and when you scroll all the way down you can see the two options, which is reset account and remove account. So in order to remove email account from Outlook, go ahead and tap on remove account. Simply tap on remove to confirm, and once you do that, your email account will be removed from Outlook. So that's all guys, this is how easily you can remove email account from Outlook. So if you found the video to be helpful and informative, go ahead and subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell for more updates.